In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of the Genspark platform. Whether you're looking to generate conversations, create stunning visuals, or automate complex workflows, Genspark has a suite of tools designed to empower your creative and professional projects. Let's walk through the steps to get you up and running smoothly. To begin, you'll need to visit the official Genspark website at genspark.ai. It's essential to access the correct site to ensure you're using all the available features provided by Genspark. Once you're there, keep an eye out for any notifications about signing up. Typically, Genspark offers a free tier, which is a fantastic way to explore everything without any initial commitment. Now, if you're not already logged in, go ahead and create your account. Setting up your account will allow you to save your progress, revisit your work, and personalize your experience with Genspark. Logging in will open a wide array of possibilities at your fingertips. Upon accessing your account, you'll notice several options on your dashboard, such as Chat, Image Video Tools, and Super Agent. These tools are the heart of what makes Genspark so versatile. Depending on what you want to achieve, you'll select the tool that fits your goal best. For those looking to initiate conversations or conduct research, the chat interface is your go-to choice. It's as simple as asking a question or starting a topic conversation, and the system will provide responses or even generate a Spark page that elaborates on the subject you're interested in. If your focus is on visual content, the Image Studio or video generation tools are excellent resources. These tools allow you to craft visuals by entering a prompt like "Create a logo for," or "Generate a 10-second marketing video." The response will be tailored to suit your specific visual demands, truly bringing your creative vision to life. For more intricate needs, such as multi-step workflows or automating tasks, the Super Agent mode is designed to handle it all. You can give it detailed instructions like research the EV market, build a slide deck, generate visuals, and export to PDF. This mode can execute a series of tasks efficiently, saving you time and effort across your projects. A crucial factor across all these tools is the quality of your prompts. The clearer and more specific your instructions, the better the output. Think about what you want, the style and format you desire, and who your audience will be. For example, when looking for a presentation on the 2025 electric vehicle market, you might request a 15-slide deck that includes charts, key players, growth forecasts, and a summary slide. The more detailed your request, the more aligned the results will be with your expectations. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to explore and utilize everything that Genspark has to offer. Enjoy the creative journey and unlock the full potential of this innovative platform.